How to turn Google Chrome to dark mode. This tutorial will guide you through enabling or disabling the dark mode feature in Google Chrome with just one click. Dark mode is a popular setting that reduces eye strain by using a darker background. Follow the simple steps to customize your browsing experience. So let's get started. So first, open the Google Chrome app. As you can see, mine is already open in the Google Chrome app. While we are in the Google Chrome app, click the three dots, which are located at the top right of the screen beside your profile. The menu appears. Just click the Settings tab so that we can proceed. While we are in the Settings tab, click the Appearance tab at the left side of the screen. While we are in the Appearance tab, locate the Mode section. After you locate the Mode section, click the option box where it says Device. The option appears. Just click the dark option to make your Google Chrome dark mode. As you can see, my Google Chrome turns into dark mode. You have successfully enabled or disabled dark mode in Google Chrome. This feature not only enhances your browsing experience, but also helps reduce eye strain during long sessions. For further customization, consider exploring Chrome extensions that provide additional functionalities. Enjoy your new browsing experience.